Okay, so right here, I've got a little box. It was part of another box, which is this box, and we're unboxing this box today. How many times can you say box? I'm so hyped for Planet Coaster on console. So the guys over at Frontier sent me a little goodie box, loot box, very similar actually to this one they did a while ago, which was the Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 loot box, which was really cool. I'll link to this video if you want to go check that out. But they sent me this box. Now, I've just finished the unboxing, and I've just finished the video, but I just had to redo the intro because it was... This video was a lot of fun to make. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Drop a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe if you haven't already for more tech unboxings is what I'm meant to be doing here. But at the moment, it's like gaming stuff, honestly. But, yeah, super hyped. By the way, if you want to see some console gameplay on the old PlayStation 4, definitely go and check out my gaming channel because there'll be some content on there soon. Can't say any more than that. But without further ado, let's get on and show you the video or me unboxing that box because it was kind of wild. Here you go. So, Planet Coaster on console. My hype for this game has just hit a new level today. I got a box in the mail and then I got an email saying it's for Planet Coaster console and my hype is just unbelievable right now. So... it's going to be great. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the like button. I've been a fan, for those who don't know, I've been a fan for Planet Coaster since 2016 when it came out. I actually went and played the game early, which was amazing. And just the excitement around it coming onto console, where you guys who just play console games can play it. It's basically redesigned to be playable on the couch. Just amazing. I'm super hyped about it. So we're going to unbox this. And as you can see, got a little peek. There you go. Oh, I was like, okay, I need to grab the cameras, need to actually take a look. So let's get inside here and take a look. Oh, this way. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is awesome. Damn. So on the side here, you can see Planet Coaster. Let's just look at that. Look at this. Planet Coaster. So we've got the artwork there. Looks absolutely amazing. Got it on the side as well. Looks cool. Overhead cam is doing wonders. Looks absolutely phenomenal. And right, let's just get inside of it. I want to know what's inside. Oh, by the way, let's have a little test. If you want to see if you can tell me what's inside before I've opened it, definitely go ahead. Put your predictions in there. I have no idea. So... and the other thing I should say, actually, is this isn't something that you can go out and buy. This is just like, you know, a bit of hype for Planet Coaster console. So thank you, Frontier, for sending this out. But I'm dying to know what's inside. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's take a look here. Oh my God. This is kind of cool. All right, so we've got a letter here. Some really cool information here about Planet Coaster console. Look at that. It's cool. It's our man. He's a legend. Okay, so what have we got here? A couple of things. First of all, we've got this. It looks like a park map. Yeah, so that's the box art here. Oh no, it's been ripped slightly. Oh, looks so good. I'm genuinely really excited to get my hands on this game, like I said. Stay tuned to the channel if you want to see that. Probably. There we go. Okay, so what's here? So this looks like some gummies is what they've put on here. Let's open one up. What should we try? Oh, they are literally like little gummies. That is blue. And that, whoa, that smells sweet. Really high detail pin. Let me know. Like, I know pins are quite a collector's thing. And, okay. So this, okay. I'm not going to tell you what that is because I think that might give away what this is. Oh my. Oh my. I mean, you might have actually already seen the spoiler alert, what it is. And, oh, it's quite heavy. Oh my God, this is hype right here. This is hype. Okay, so I think that's everything in the box. So we've opened the box. Just to recap, gummy bears, the poster, the pin, which looks really cool. Let me just show you. Look how cool that pin is. That is an awesome looking pin. So we've got the pin, poster, we've got the letter that we talked about, which is really cool. And we've got the gummy bears, which I keep eating, which are absolutely delicious. But we've got this little box. So we need to see what's in here. So I'm going to put this to one side and have a look. But yeah, this is probably the big piece here. Oh my god. Okay. No way. This is incredible, guys. I think this might actually get a bit real here. Oh my god. Cotton candy maker? That's cool. I get it. You buy cotton candy. Cotton candy. In the UK, we call it candy floss. In America, you call it cotton candy, which is really weird. Okay. Right. So, I guess we'll open it up and see what we can find. That is crazy. All right. Let's set this up and see if we can do some candy floss. So yes, I forgot to mention the candy floss stuff. I put it to one side and completely forgot about it, but now it makes sense. So we've got a spoon, and you can see I've got this. Oh, okay. Let's give this a go. How does this work? Oh, we've got some instructions here. Hang on. This might go well. I'm not sure. Turn it on and let it heat up for 5 minutes. So yeah, this is actually really cool. So we've got the stick, which I believe you pour in the stuff in the middle. So you grab a spoon like this, pour it in, and then use the stick. It's gonna spit it out in some way, and then we kind of like do the thing. I've never done this before, so this could be interesting. See how we get on here. Now, to make it last longer, I've actually mixed it with regular sugar. I'm sure that won't be a problem. I'm going to do 2 scoops. 2 scoops? Alright, cool. So... Oh! Okay. So I think we just do like a motion like this or like this. Okay, I can start to see like a web forming. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Candy floss making. Wow. That's so cool. It's literally like a web. Dude, that's awesome. Okay, okay, okay. I see what you're doing here. So you basically just use your 2 fingers. Oh my god. Guys, I'm going to have to become a candy floss man. I'm going to leave my YouTube to become a candy floss maker. Wow, that looks awesome. Oh my god. It's like taking off. There you go, there you go. Look at it. That's awesome. There's loads of it. Woohoo! Now we're cooking. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, that's so satisfying. I'm making so much mess. It's delightful, but also very messy. Oh, wow. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, yes. Okay, it's not really... Oh, no, there it is. There we go. It's spinning on the stick now. Before, it wasn't really spinning on the stick, and it was making getting it from the thing very difficult, but... Look at... Oh, yeah, now we're going. Look at this! Dude. Oh, yes. Welcome to... Wow, this is a lot. Dude, check this out. Be honest with me, be honest. Did you think I was going to mess this up? I'll be honest. Towards the beginning, I was probably on your side, but actually, it seems to be working quite well now. Okay, yeah, I've got this. I've got this. Got this all. I hope there's someone who makes candy floss watching this going, you know what? Fair play. That's not easy. This is a messy job, guys. I regret doing this in my office. I'm going to be honest. But also, absolutely brilliant. There's so much of this candy floss. Oh, ow. Ah, need to keep it spinning. Oh no, this stick's not spinning anymore. No. No. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Kinda nailed it. So I'm here to announce my new profession. Candy floss. I gotta do the taste test, the all important taste test. Very light. That is gorgeous. Planet Coaster on console. I'm so excited to play the PS4 version, which is the version I may or may not have. Stay tuned to the gaming channel, which if I've already uploaded a video, I'll put a connotation to so you can check it out. But stay tuned on that channel if you want to see some content. This was messy, but honestly, 100% worth it. I'll see you next time.